Here's a quick walkthrough to show you how to set up your podcast playlist in YouTube. So you're going to be logged into your YouTube channel. Click on the icon over on the right-hand side. And we want to make sure we go to YouTube Studio. Once we're in YouTube Studio, we come up here to this little Create button and New Playlist. We're going to come over here and we're just going to call this New Podcast Tech Playlist. We can write our detailed description down here, much more detailed than this. We're going to keep the visibility to public unless we want it to be private. We're going to leave this date published as the newest first as the default, and then we are going to add videos. So we can scroll through the videos that we have on our channel and then start adding them. Like how to fix bad audio podcast, bad audio quality. There, we'll do these 3 and then click on done. And we've got 3 videos added, and here's our playlist. Now, if you are looking for some older videos and they didn't initially pop up in that screen that showed all the videos, we've got a workaround for that. We're going to go back to our channel dashboard and scroll down to content. This video that I want to add did not come up as an option when I was scrolling through the videos initially. So I'm going to click on it. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to go to playlist, hit that drop down arrow, and then here we have New Podcast Tech Playlist. And we're going to add it, click done, then we're going to save it. Saving it's very important. Then we're going to go back to our channel content, click on playlist to make sure it saved it, open up New Podcast Tech Playlist, check out the videos that we have. And here's the 4th video that I just added. That's how you do it. That's how you set up playlist in YouTube.